Creating users in bulk using our Excel import template. From any page on your MobiWork account, navigate to Account at the top of the page and choose Users. On the Users List page, select the More Actions button on the top right corner and choose Export to Excel. Depending on your browser settings, a download window may appear. Once the spreadsheet has been downloaded, open it. Take some time to review the contents and structure of the spreadsheet. Column headers are found in row 5 and show the user fields, and any headers that are required are marked with an asterisk. Keep in mind, do not change the contents or delete any headers in row 5. Modifying them may result in data importing incorrectly. Row 6 contains special instructions for each field noted in red. Follow the instructions as they're key to a successful and accurate import. Rows 7 and on will show your account's individual users. You'll notice the spreadsheet shows your user information along with your account's sample users. Rather than disabling the sample users then creating new users, we recommend simply modifying the provided sample users. To do so, first delete the rows that will not be altered. For the users that you are editing, leave the user ID field in column A as is, but change the rest of the user's information. For example, to set one of your employees up with a login account, find Mobile User 1's row, keep the same user ID, but change the first name, last name, email address, and any other fields as needed. Remember to be mindful of fields that are required, which are marked with an asterisk in row 5, and require special attention noted in red in row 6. For example, as noted in the password column, passwords cannot be changed using the spreadsheet. The user role column will allow you to specify the account's administrators. Global admins will have access to view or modify and delete anything in MobiWork, while users will have restricted access controlled by permission templates. Other than modifying existing users, to add new users, begin adding the user information in new rows. When finished, save the spreadsheet and return back to the MobiWork Users List page. From here, click the More Actions button and choose Import from Excel. Using the Choose File button, find your spreadsheet, attach it, and click Import. Review the list of users recognized by MobiWork. If everything looks good, click Submit to bring in your list of users. Keep in mind, only click the Submit button one time. Clicking more than once may result in duplicate entries. Lastly, you will see a Confirm Results page showing you the results of your import. You'll see an overall recap of the import at the top, showing how many users were created, skipped, or updated, along with a breakdown of each entry's results on the bottom. If only some of your imported records are shown, use the page navigation buttons on the lower right of the records to move to other pages or records. Click Done to return to your list of users, and you'll see the results of the import reflected here. Since passwords cannot be changed using the import template, let's change them next. Start by clicking the user's login ID directly or the View button located on the right-hand side. On the top right of the user window, click More Actions, and then Reset Password. On this screen, enter a new password, confirm the password, and click Save. You'll be notified that the password change was successful. If not, create a new password that meets all the noted requirements and try saving again. Once the password's been successfully changed, select OK to dismiss the window. Next, you will have to specify the types of access given to any users that had User chosen for their user role. Select the More Actions button and choose Edit User. Remember, if User is selected as the user type, you'll see a permission field directly beneath it. Click the drop-down menu button and select the appropriate permission template. If your user is an employee in the field using a mobile device, select Mobile User. If your user is an employee in the office in charge of operations, select Office User Operations. If your user is an employee in the office that must access invoices, select Office User Accounting. If you need to set up specific access control for a user, please contact us. Finally, add your mobile device users to the All Mobile Users group and click Save. Repeat steps N through S to change passwords and permissions for any other users as needed.